how to create a GIF in Canva. To show you this, I've prepared this background and text here, but you can use any kind of element you have in your Canva project. Now, to create a GIF, we have to create some kind of animation. That's why I'm going to select my text, and I'm going to go up here to where it says animate. And now I can choose between all the different types of animations. You can choose between basic, exaggerate, and add motion effects. I'm just gonna go with the simple rise effect here. You can also choose elements which already have an animation. For example, the sparkle effect here. Once we're satisfied with our result, we just go to the top right corner here where it says share. We're gonna click on download, and we're gonna make sure GIF is selected. Then you just click on download, and it will download the GIF onto your computer. And that's how you make a GIF in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.